If you are where it's at, stay right there. If you are where it's at, stay right there. Stay right there. Don't move. If you're on my Facebook, you will know I make that post quite a lot. Whenever I need to reaffirm that within myself, you will see me write that post. If you are where it's at, stay right there. Those who are not aligned with you will fall away like autumn leaves. A lot of persons left my life last year. Within the past year, a lot of persons fell away. They fell away from my life. They were not aligned with who I am, with what I stand on, with where I am going, with where my destiny is calling me. Those persons who fell away were not aligned. And some of them, I'm really not surprised. We outgrew each other. It's no skin off my nose. Others of them, it came as a shock. Nonetheless, it is what it is. Those who are not aligned will fall away. There was no fuss. There was no severing. There was no hullabaloo. It just happened. They just fell away. Um, Growth is the shedding of the unnecessary. That's another post that I make quite often. Growth is the shedding of the unnecessary. A lot of people think of growth as just this packing on, this adding on. Some of that is a part of growth, but growth is also shedding, making way for what's new, making way for what's more appropriate to the stage that you are at this time on your journey. Some people are just in your life for a season, just for a moment, just for a period, just for a time, just for a season. When that season is done, they will go. And if you remain true to who you are, to what you stand on, to your principles, it will not feel like a loss, because it actually is not a loss. And many times it's actually making way for something better to come. So it's really a gain. Most times when I lose things, when I consider I've lost something, most times something better comes. That's the experience that I've had. Whenever I get to a point where I find there's a shedding, there's a loss, something better always comes. And this is how I want you to think of loss, as making way for better. Loss is making way for better. That is how we must view it. Life is continuous, life is dynamic, life is ever flowing, evolving. And if we fight to keep the things that we're attached to all the time, we don't make space for the other things that we need to take us on the rest of the journey. Don't be scared. Let go. Let it go. Growth is the shedding of the unnecessary. Whatever is not aligned with where you are going will fall away from you. Oh my, this breeze is so strong. Look at the coconut tree. Look at the trees. This breeze is really strong, really powerful. Really powerful. Yeah. Today is Mother's Day. I'm on my roof, enjoying the cool breeze, waiting for the sunset in the distance. Yeah. Beautiful sunset from my rooftop. And just reflecting this past year. I'm telling you, people who were not aligned fell away. And I am happy that I was able to just embrace that, to understand that, and to just let go, release what needed to be released so that I could embrace what is to come. And I know that what is to come is what I need to go further. What is to come is what is needed for me to advance. And I believe what is to come will be more aligned. So we go through seasons. Yes, I'm a tropical girl. I live in the tropics. We don't really have clearly defined seasons, but yeah, we have seasons. If you know, you know. If you know, you know, right?